eggs, ha? Puto.
Not yet.
Huh? Why?
O, yun pa, halo-halo. No, this one.
Ay, hindi pa yung nakatayo, no?
No. Oh, no. Do not touch that. Finish na? Finish na? We will put egg, ha? Okay?
Eggs. Mama, ito.
Eh, wait lang. No, wait. Lalagyan muna natin ng color. Ready? Hahalo mo, ha? Halo, ha?
Yan pa. Wow! Eggs! Stars. Eggs.
O, halo. Halo.
Halimig.
Yes.
Ayan.
This
That's
is
what.
yellow.
Ha?
This is yellow.
No.
Yes. Halo. Okay na? Okay na?
Ito, Mama.
Later. Oh, ready na? Are you ready? Wow!
Eggs.
Oh, later. Ito pa, halo. Ito pa, halo yung yellow. Halo,
Ayan.
yellow.
Ayan. Ayan. Ayan na.
Green.
Ang green color.
Yes. Wow. Halo yung green. Oh, slowly.
Eggs.
O, lalagyan na natin yung eggs.
Sumigil. Aka na. Oo. Aka na siya. Yan.
Slowly, ha? Slowly po. Okay, slowly. Wow! Oh, leave it there. Oh, halo yung green.
Ay! Init ako.
Nainit ikaw? Sorry. Oh, no, look. Oh,
Sumigil.
halo ito. Ito yung halo. Cut it lang.
Init ako, no?
Mm-hmm.
Dad!
Look at my
Eggs.
Oh, ready na?
Red.
Okay, you put one. I put one.
Mga kanat ito.
I know.
Ano?
You put it.
Red.
One egg.
Red. What this one?
Put it right there. Okay, ready? Whoa! Look at that.
Eggs.
Oh, later. We will mix. Okay? What are we going to mix? Yellow and red. I know.
Yellow.
No. What's that? Red and...
Green!
Red. Ay, wala pala. Red and... Ano yung mangyayari?
Ay!
Blue, green and yellow.
Ay, ito.
Make it blue, right?
Sigawa.
Maybe.
Hindi. Sa mom.
Si Mamba?
Hindi. Si Miguel.
Si Miguel pala. What's this? Yellow? Hopefully, it will come out blue. Okay, halo. For sure, halo. Spoon.
Nakaltid dito.
Yeah.
Ay!
Oh, never mind. It's
Ay,
alright.
ay,
It's
ay.
part of it. Oh, halo na yan.
Sumiga ko.
Yeah, I know. Oh no, look at your finger. Look at our fingers. Oh my. Okay, halo na. It's alright.
Ay, isa na.
Later.
Isa na.
Halo mo na to.
Wala. Asa na? Wala.
Okay, what's the color? Oh no, kulang ng yellow. Kulang na yung yellow. Okay.
Daddy.
Okay, you put.
Ah!
Here. You put one egg.
What this?
Yes. Careful. Wow. Okay. Hindi na nalagay natin dito.
Tubig.
Tubig and
Tubig.
red and yellow.
Uy, konti pa, oh.
Red and yellow.
Ano magiging?
Orange yan.
Orange na lang. Red and orange.
Orange na yan eh.
So, wala na akong pang mix
Ano ang gawin ko? Violet. Wala tayo, wala tayong blue, no?
Wala nga eh.
Eggs.
Oh, just wait, baby. And leave it. No, what? What color?
Leave it.
Red
meron na
lang?
ba?
Yeah.
Ah,
Red
Ito.
and
Ay.
green. How?
sige.
Wala.
What? Ano ka nangyari dyan? Red and green.
Look.
I have no idea.
Yeah, balik tayo sa art school.
Oh my.
Look. Oh no.
I'm
Oh
so...
no. Oh no.
Balik sa art school.
Oh no. Okay, halo.
Look. My hands.
It's alright, baby. Wag mo. Come on. My, it's bloody red.
Ano yan?
Oh, don't put it in your mouth, ah.
Cannot put them at me.
No, you cannot put it in your mouth.
Cannot.
Yes, do not put it in.
Ooh.
Ooh! Can you see that, Dad? Ooh!
I think eggs.
Okay, put your egg.
Okay.
Oh. Whoa! Okay.
So,
Leave it for 5 minutes.